I think farmers really are, doing their best to produce a high quality product with as much respect for the land and the environment and the landscape as we can. My name is Claire Martins. I'm a farmer from Boissevain, Manitoba. So we have a grain and cattle farm, and I farm with my dad Ben and my mom Ellen, my sister Jill, and my partner Zimon.
We farm at Boissevain, which is in the foothills of the Turtle Mountains. So we really do live in a special part of the province, I think. We have some access to a lot of beautiful areas.
I went to the U of M and took a Bachelor of Science, and when I finished university, I was really craving those hands-on learning opportunities that you get on the farm. And so, I was really happy to have the opportunity to move home and farm with my dad. Zimon has a master's degree from the Natural Resource Institute, the NRI, at the U of M as well.
So we grow pulses, which has been the peas and beans, and we grow some cereals. We grow wheat and oats, and we grow some silage corn for the cows, and canola is a big part of our rotation as well.
Edible beans are, I would say, a value-added crop that we're growing. They're a legume. They diversify the crop rotation.
Why we're passionate about growing beans. It's something different. It's nice to do something different than everybody else is doing. It's a high-value crop, and some other reasons might be that is for agronomic diseases, for disease rotation.
We're farming with the environment in mind. Really, everything comes down to soil quality, water quality, and air quality in terms of health. We're always trying to keep in mind that we're using limited resources and that it's a huge privilege to be able to interact with the land as a farmer. One thing I really love about farming is that you get to learn so many different skill sets. You get to learn how to be a mechanic, you get to learn how to be an agronomist, you get to work outside a lot of the time, you get to work with animals. I just really love being outside and also working with my dad.
Farming with my daughters has been a lot of fun. They may not always admit that their dad is wonderful to work with, but most of the time I think we're having fun.
My dad is a big inspiration. He is always willing to try new things. He was one of the first farmers in our area to practice zero tillage and also introduced growing black beans in our area. He is a careful decision maker, and he is also really collaborative. He's always willing to bring us in and include us in the decision-making process. My hope is that over my farming career, we continue to learn to farm in good relationship with the land, and we also respond to some of these big issues that are affecting every industry in Canada, namely climate change and learning to be in good relationship with our Indigenous neighbours too.